Hi everybody, it's 12:41 and 7 seconds on May 17. This is the main drawing for the Daredevil 1 graded 4.5. It's pretty crazy. Filled up about halfway and then it just died down, so I started doing minis, and then all of a sudden everybody came out of the woodworks claiming the last 15 or so spots. So I'm glad it's filled. Let's get this run. I am going to be able to get it out in today's mail for the winner. So over here on the left hand side, as you can see, I'm scrolling up and down. Here are the 44 filled spots. So let's do our 3 dice. Name at the top of the list is going to be the winner. Number is 16. Big number. So, name at the top of the list at the end of the 16th roll will win the book. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here is the final one. 16. Spot 36. Steve Hudson. Congratulations. Time is 12:42 and 34 seconds.